Today, right now, I'm going to show you how XRP reaches $5,000 instantly. I got it all figured out. I'm going to lay it out for you in this video. Let's get into it. So, link to put this out. Is XRP the world's most useful cryptocurrency? Ripple leverages the XRP ledger to facilitate faster, more cost-efficient cross-border payments. Invest in Ripto, Linko, IPO, blah, 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 blah.
Is this the world's most useful cryptocurrency? Sending money across the globe today can take days and incur hefty fees. But Ripple has a solution. XRP is a cryptocurrency that acts as a bridge between currencies, enabling cross-border payments in seconds. Ripple is using a decentralized ledger and XRP to revolutionize how financial institutions send money faster and with fewer fees. Want to invest in Ripple in the future of blockchain? Invest pre-IPO on link2.com. Is this the world's most useful crypto?
Ripple is not going to IPO anytime soon, guys. The SEC would need to approve the IPO. And, you know, markets are going to be very unsure with the election coming up. It's just not going to happen, right? They're going to want to IPO in an up market, and the market has been just screaming. How many all-time highs have we set over the last 2 years in the stock market, NASDAQ? It's just been insane. So I think they're going to wait, and I think that's why Ripple has been buying back some IPO shares. So Federal Reserve now likely to cut rates by 50 basis points this week's meeting. So here you go. We have a 57% chance that we do a 25 basis points, and then we have here 43% chance of going from 525 to 50, and then sorry, this is 57% chance for a 50% rate cut. Excuse me, I do apologize. All right, U.S. senators demand 0.75 rate cut to Powell. So they wanted to lower rates faster. The reason they need to do this, guys, is retail is broke. One, we need cheaper money. Two, also, the U.S. has to refinance its debt. If the U.S. has to refinance its debt at 5%, they're going to be paying $2 trillion in interest. The U.S. only takes in $4 to $5 trillion a year in taxes. So half of what we take in, we basically be paying in interest. So the system is broken. That is why we need to move to a new system. And that is why I truly believe XRP could be that new system. All right, here you go. Bitcoin price and federal funds rate here over the last 10 years, 2014, 2016, 18, 20, 22, and 2024. And the Fed is expected to cut rates by 50 basis points by Wednesday. The last time this happened, Bitcoin market got initiated. Will history repeat itself? So are we going to be taking off? So big news, Bitstamp in collaboration with Ripple will launch their own derivatives exchange built entirely on the XRP ledger. Robinhood agreed to acquire crypto exchange Bitstamp for a $200 million deal that is set to close in the first half of 2025. This new venture has the potential to greatly accelerate a crypto expansion globally and worldwide.
A business or an institutional investor, they also want access to the things we offer. You know, they want 24-hour access to the equity markets, and want industry-leading margin rates, a great customer experience. So over time, I do think you'll see us branching more out into serving other types of customers, not just retail, but also businesses and institutions. And to that end, we announced an acquisition of Bitstamp, a global crypto exchange. One of the things that's very attractive about that business is that it's not just international, but also institutional. It gets us access to an entirely new customer base that we're not directly serving today. I think we can do more and more of that over the next 10 years.
We are launching our own derivatives exchange in the next few months, so that's something we are most excited about and really hope to cooperate closely with Ripple there as well. In final stage of integration of really some top 30 commercial banks globally on Bitstamp as a service, so these commercial banks will offer crypto through Bitstamp. So that's definitely something we are very proud of.
All right, and if they can do it on Bitstamp, guys, they can do it anywhere. Look how much money is in derivatives. You're talking about quadrillions of dollars, okay? So here is how much money is in these banks in derivatives. And this is $57 billion, right? 57 billion, 188 million, 164,000, right? And then you have Goldman Sachs, Citibank, Bank of America, $22 billion, right? Wells Fargo at $13 billion, State Street Trust Company at $3 billion, right? All of this money is going to wind up on blockchain. Okay, and then whoever Kendra Hill was, she was writing about XRP's role early on, derivatives, cross-border payments, tokenization, etc. Kendra Hill was actually somebody that was here years ago, and she was actually laying out the whole plan for all of this, and then she just truly disappeared off the scene. We don't know what happened to her, but we do hope she is okay and she is fine. But the true intention of Ripples are to handle 100% of the transactions which take place in the derivatives market. Right? So why not make this a public knowledge for multiple reasons? The most important one is that they are not ready. They are missing a piece of the puzzle, and that piece is called Codius. And they are getting ready soon. But look at this, guys, derivatives. This would send the price of XRP to the moon. I asked Perplexity how much would it send the price of XRP to, so it could say 5,000 per token. But what happens if tokens are bought off all the exchanges, right? What happens if the tokens are locked up in AMMs, right, and taken off the market, out of circulation? Does the price even go higher, right? Does it even go higher at $10,000, right? If you have 10,000 XRP, right, you have $100 million. That is generational wealth. Okay, you could put that into bonds, right, and you can make $4 or $5 million currently a year, just by doing absolutely nothing. You could put it in the stock market, get an 8 to 10 average return, right? What is it, $8 to $10 million a year? You could live off that, right? And you could absolutely just live your life and do whatever you wanted to. It's insane. It's insane, and I look forward to it. And then here you go. Ripple and Bitstamp have launching their own digital derivatives exchange. Bitstamp, owned by Robinhood, will significantly accelerate Robinhood's crypto expansion worldwide, holding over 50 active licenses across the world. This is why Ripple is partnering and going with them. Robinhood Markets Inc. has entered into an agreement with Bitstamp Limited, a global cryptocurrency exchange. Bitstamp was founded in 2011 and has offices in Luxembourg and the UK, and Slovenia, Singapore, and the US. Acquired by a global exchange will significantly accelerate Robinhood's crypto expansion worldwide. Bitstamp holds over 50 active licenses as registrations globally will bring in customers across the EU, the UK, and the US and Asia to Robinhood. Boom. Boom. And remember Uphold posting this? What would you do if XRP hit $1,000? Well, we would all be very excited. Of course, JP Morgan Chase has officially started accepting XRP payments, which is insane. And you remember this from way back in the day, 2022, Ripple XRP is better than Bitcoin, says Vitalik Buterin, right? What happens when the XRP ledger gets smart contract functionality that is better or like Ethereum? Right? Imagine how many builders and how much stuff is going to be created on the XRP ledger once that happens. That's what we're waiting for. Not this speculation price of where we are today. Not this bullshit of 58 cents. This is speculation. This is what me and you are speculating the price of XRP is. This is not XRP's utility price. I can't wait to see what the price is once we hit XRP's top utility price. So if you own 3,000 XRP, you are in the top 10%. 10,000 XRP, you are in the top 5%. If you own, let's say 20,000 XRP, you're in the top 3%. But if you own 61,476 XRP, you are in the top 1%. And of course, if you are mega rich and you own over, 420,000 XRP, you are in the top 0.1%. And then also if you are, if you own 7 million XRP, you're in the top 0.1%. So where are you? What kind of whale are you? What kind of fish are you? Do you own an XRP? Let me know down in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, if you like this video, please like and share the video. It does help me grow the channel, and we are going to 40,000 before the end of the year with your help. I love you. Aloha. Peace out. I'll see you next time.